Today I will learn you about the Photoshop software uh, through which you can make the image or photo brightly. That's why you have to know the Photoshop software, how to use and how to work with the photos. This is the first class. You know that computer in general are of two types. That is, one is desktop and other is laptop. Again, it has two types of software. That is, one is hardware and another is software. Those who learn Photoshop, they will learn Photoshop software. At first, you have to install the Photoshop software version CS5 or 6, and it would be installed by your computer service engineer by paying rupees 300 or 500. After installation of the Photoshop software, you will open this software by double click. Then you will see some menu bars, and in the left hand you will see various toolbars, various tools that would be used to make the photo and to remove the background and to change the color, etc. Today I will learn you the menu bar, where you will also many menu sub-menus. Out of the menu, important menus will be learned to you. Now I am telling about the menus like file. File, you have no, when you go to file, you will see that there are so many sub-menus. Out of that, I will learn you most important menus, sub-menus like new. New means when you open a photo card, and then when you click on the new, you will see a dialog box will come, and you will select as per your choice and open this. Now second menu is open. You will open, that means whatever image or photos are in your computer, that should be inserted into your canvas. Or close menu, it means you can close this new menu. Now third is save. How to save? If you go to save menu, you have to, a dialog box will come. You will put up the name of the file. The file will save three types: JPG, PNG and zip. Three extension names should be put, then it can be saved. Or save as, you can, on file you can save another names. Or place, you can place a photo in other places. Import means you can collect the photo from the computers. Export, it means photo can be sent to other place. Print, if you give the print, then photo will print out from the printer. Exist means you will exist from this menu. Now I will go to edit menu. You will see there is some sub menu, that means cut, copy, paste, fill, stroke, transform, etc. Cut means you have four types of four images in your canvas. Then you want to remove one copy. That can be that. Then you should be used cut menu, sub menu. Then copy, you can copy one to have one. Paste, you can copy and paste. You take one and paste. It can be paste in other place. Fill, the color can be filled. Stroke means boundaries. Transform means Control T means a image or photo can be selected, and if you want to increase this photo, you will drag, and if you want to small the size, then you will pull etc. Now I will go to image menu. Here image menu, there are various type of submenu mode. It can be whether there is two types, RGB or CKMY. RGB means it can be used in web. It can be web, and CKMY can be used in printing cases. Image size, image size you can select how the image size would be selected by this menu. Canvas size, it can be selected through this sub menu. Image rotation means if you want to down the face to be made below, you can do that by rotation. Crop means how many size you will taken, that can be used by crop menu. However, layers, I will give menu. You will see and practice every day, so that you will get good idea. Without practice, you will not success. Now I stop the class. That's okay. Thank you.